Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first video. Kindly subscribe the channel. Today I am going to talk about the very important indicator, that is one of the leading indicator, that is called as institutional zones. So let's start the video. I will share the indicator link in the description. When you open that link, you find this type of interface. See, and you add to this favorite indicator and then come to trading view, and you can this indicator can be applied on any chart. So when you come to trading chart, I started on Nifty. So in this you find this balance trade indicator. You click on this, it has added this indicator. So what these indicators mainly do is it forms two zones in the day. It can be applied 5-minute or 15-minute time frame. It works on only on intraday. It works fine in intraday, not swing. It works fine in intraday. So what are these levels? These are red levels and green levels. These are the support, and so this is the support and this is the resistance zones. When the price is moving upwards and meets this zone, the price is intended to go down, or it may break this level and intended to go up. See, likewise, when the price is going down and finds this support, it intended to go up, it breaks down, or intended to go down. So this is how this indicator works. This is the one of the leading indicator, because once this zone is formed, it doesn't change in an entire day. It is there only. It is because of this reason it is one of the leading indicator, right? So some of the Instagram pages are selling this indicator for 1000 rupees per month. So I searched and find it for free. So thought of sharing this indicator might help some traders. So you can use this indicator on Nifty or Bank Nifty and any stocks, right? Once you added this indicator, you see the zones are happening. So you can retest it on any stocks. Let's say Reliance Industries. See, the stock is in today only, the stock is come down and it find a support, and it has moved up quite a bit, and it's find a support and it's moved up. So you need basic analysis or basic trading knowledge to use this indicator. So don't blindly use this indicator. You know some basic knowledge of trading, and you know some basic knowledge of candlesticks and how candlesticks works and candlestick patterns. So if the candle formed near the support zone is pin bar or a morning star happened, that is intended to go up. If the candles are forming a doji, shooting star, right, at the resistance zone, then it intended to go up. See, bearish engulfing pattern or happened in this. See, the hanging man happened in this. So in these patterns, this is price is intended to go down. So even this indicator may increase the probability of your trade, but not completely use this indicator as an only use this indicator, you may not be profitable. Use your price action analysis and understand the candlesticks very effectively to win. The probability ratio might be more increasable trade. So hope you like the video. So if you like this video, kindly do share, subscribe and share it with your friends who are trading. So thank you very much, and subscribe my YouTube channel and also my Telegram channel. Follow on Instagram and daily updates. So thank you very much.